Hi and welcome to Kids Education Planet. Today we are reading Dump Trucks. About dump trucks. Look, here comes a dump truck. Count the big tires. This dump truck has 6. See the dump box. It holds the load. Here is the back of the dump box. It is called the gate. The driver moves the lever. Up goes the dump box. The gate opens. The dirt falls out. At work, dump trucks carry away big rocks. Dump trucks bring in gravel. The gravel spills out. Workers build a new road. Good job, dump truck. Bye. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe.